Angie Cho, and this is how to make natural cleaners for shower curtains. I think the most offensive and toxic cleaners are the conventional ones made for bathrooms. I'm going to share with you my favorite non-toxic natural cleaners for shower curtains and doors. First, to get the soap scum and mildew off. White vinegar is excellent for this because its acidic properties can dissolve the soap scum. Spray undiluted white vinegar on your shower curtain and give it some time to work. Come back in an hour, then use a bristle brush to remove the soap scum. Once your shower curtain or door is nice and clean, you need to keep it up. I love this anti-mildew shower bathtub spray made with hydrogen peroxide. Add a few drops of essential oil, I prefer eucalyptus. Put it straight into the brown bottle. Screw a spray bottle top right on there. By the way, the reason why hydrogen peroxide often comes in these opaque brown bottles is that it can break down quickly in sunlight. Keep the new spray in the shower and spray your curtains and doors after every use. It will help prevent mildew and mold from forming. You can use easy-to-find household products like white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide to make natural cleaners to keep your shower, curtain, or door clean and fresh.